This is the new OPPO Find X5 Pro. It's available now for pre-order, and if you do, you get all of this for free. So my friends, in today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a first look and giving you my first impressions of the new OPPO Find X5 Pro. But we're also going to be talking about whether it's worth going for the pre-order. And spoiler alert, it is. Now, I don't think I've ever seen a pre-order deal like it. If you pre-order the OPPO Find X5 Pro or the OPPO Find X5, then you can claim a free gift box containing a whole host of goodies worth a massive £373. So you may be wondering, what do you actually get in that box? Well, you get this, which is the wireless charger. This is not just the standard wireless charger, this charges at a huge 50 watts. You also get the Kevlar aramid case and the OPPO Watch Free. And last but certainly not least, you get the Enco X earbuds. This all comes to a huge £373, but you've only got until midnight on March the 23rd, 2022 in order to actually order. Now, if you check out the links in the description, I've left full information there so you can't go wrong. Right, let's talk about this phone a little bit more. Now, when you first pick up the phone, the first thing that you're going to notice is there is a slight different feel. This is actually the first phone that I've had, which is ceramic, and it does feel really nice. It feels great, in fact. Now, I've got the X5 Pro in black, and that does look really good. It does also come in the white, and I guess with the white you'd probably notice a few less smudges or fingerprints. But this doesn't look too bad, and the glossiness and the overall general look, I think, is premium. I love the shape of the back. Whereas on other manufacturers, the camera housing sticks out and looks almost like an afterthought and looks quite ridiculous, talking about you, iPhone, this just glides along and it feels like it should be there, and it feels great. The fact that it sticks out is absolutely of no relevance at all. Now, the cameras on this thing will be one of the main reasons why you're considering this phone. Working with Hasselblad, they've developed a unique package. There are 4 lenses in total. On the front there is a 13 megapixel telephoto selfie camera, and on the back you have 2 50 megapixel cameras, one being ultra wide angle, and a third 13 megapixel telephoto camera. The OPPO Find X5 Pro, being the flagship phone, has to have the best possible display, and this does. It's a 6.7 inch AMOLED display, and yes, it is 120 Hz, so operating it just feels incredible. The other thing this does have is VRR, so it's variable refresh rate, and that will go down as low as 10 Hz, which means you're only using the power when you need to. Talking about power, this has the Snapdragon 8 processor, and it feels brilliant. The speed in which everything operates is as quick as I've seen on any other device. The operating system is ColorOS 12.1, and this is based on Android 12. Now, I think OPPO must have done some deals with various different app manufacturers because there are an unusual range of apps included, but you can obviously change those to your heart's content. Now, when it comes to storage, this doesn't have any external storage capability, so there's no memory card option, but it does come with 256 gigabytes and 12 gigabytes of RAM, so you hopefully won't run out of space that quickly. The OPPO Find X5 Pro is also rated as Ip68 Waterproof. This means that if you are of the careless disposition and you want to drop it in water, you can do that with confidence up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. It's also dust resistant as well. Now, as this is a first impressions video, we've not had a chance to actually test the battery, but it is a 5000 mAh battery, which should last you at least a day and a half. OPPO also claim that this will give you 1600 charging cycles, which is almost double what most phones offer. Now, I did mention earlier that in the gift set you get a 50-watt wireless charger, which can charge your phone from near empty to 100% in just 47 minutes. What I didn't mention is that in the pack with the phone you get an 80-watt charger. Now, as you can see, this is super fast. It will give you around 50% power in just 12 minutes. So if you are in the market for one of the flagship phones this year, then definitely consider the OPPO Find X5 Pro. This is an incredible device that looks amazing, feels amazing, and does amazing things. Check out the links in the description and don't forget about that pre-order deal. You don't want to miss that. Thank you so much, my friends, for watching this video. I do hope that it's been helpful, and if there are any questions, just leave them in the comments below.